So welcome back to my channel once again. Today I'm coming to do some compost tea. Do you know what the compost tea is?
Is it compost tea?
Yes.
Okay, what's the compost tea?
We are trying to do more of organic stuff at the farm here. I'm coming to dissolve a treated compost into water so that I can use it to be watering the plant as a form of fertilizer. Instead of using the authentic fertilizer spraying, we'll use the compost for that. This compost is coming from Safisana. It's a Dutch company here in Ghana. They produce a quality compost for all form of plants. We are coming to use this one for the compost tea. I'm coming to soak the compost into the water, and then it will be here for 7 days. And it's organic, so it will not have any effect on the plant. Okay. So, okay. I'm doing 15% of the compost to my water, 20-liter capacity bowl. This is, one of the compost tea, but this compost tea is from chicken manure with sawdust that we are using here. And this has been here for almost a month, and we use it to feed the plants. So I made this compost by myself. You can see how rich and dark it is. Comprises various nutrients, and we are coming to plants. So I'm done mixing the tea, so I'm going to cover it. So normally when you use compost directly on a plant, it doesn't release the nutrients to the plant faster. But the tea is a form of water, so it's able to give the plant the needed nutrients immediately. So that's why it's always best to do the tea aside giving the compost directly to the plant. If this video has been helpful, subscribe and put on your bell notification. See you in my next video.